Hello student. So in ninth class our next topic is operation on real numbers. So here we will see operation. Operation means there are four basic operation in math. First, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we will learn how we can add or subtract, multiply and divide with the real numbers. So let us see operation, that means addition and subtractions. There are few rules how we can add and how we can subtract with the real numbers. So especially when we have surds. Surd means this under root, that is in Hindi we are saying karni. With the surds there are some certain rules, some fixed rules. With the help of that rule we will add or subtract. So let us see first rule for the addition. Addition or subtraction, both. Suppose we have root a and plus root a, then we can add. Here is a exponent, like a coefficient. Here is a one coefficient and here is also one coefficient. So we will add this 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 as a real number, and root a is irrational, root a is irrational, so we will take common root a, so we will get root 2a. That means if we have a same surds are same irrational numbers, then we can add their coefficient while taking common the same surd. Similarly in the subtraction, suppose here we have a 5 as a coefficient, 5 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Now we can subtract because we have a same surds, same irrational number. Then we will subtract their coefficient only, 5 minus 3, and this 2 we will take as a common. So 5 minus 3, 2 root 2 is our answer. That means we can add or we can subtract with the same irrational quantities or same irrational numbers. We cannot add or subtract different surds. For example, if we have a and b, root a and root b, if we want to add them, then we can write only root a plus root b. We cannot add their coefficient or anything. We will write as it is the number whatever we have. So here I have written a few examples. Let's see. Add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. So how we can add? This is our first number and this is our second number. First we will write in the bracket 2 into root 2 plus 5 into root 3 in a first bracket, and we have to add our second quantity, and second quantity is a root 2 minus 3 root 3. Okay, so let's explore it. Now 2 root 2 and here we have root 2. While opening the bracket we have 2 root 2 and plus root 2. So we will write same quantity, same surds, same irrational number with together. So root 2 plus 2 root 2 plus root 2, and this 5 root 3, and we have another minus 3 root 3. So we will write with another bracket 5 root 3 and minus 3 root 3. Now we have a same surd in both the bracket, here in this bracket and this bracket also. So we will take common root 2. While taking common root 2, here we have a 2 as a coefficient and here we have a nothing as a coefficient. So one is always understood as a coefficient. So 2 plus 1, we have 3 into root 2, whatever we have common. And in the similar way, here we cannot add because here is a plus 5 and here is a minus 5. So always according to subtraction rule, here it will be subtracted. So 5 minus root 3 into 5 minus 3 into root 3. Now whatever the resultant we have, 2 plus 1, 3 root 2, and 5 minus 3, that is 2, and this one root 3. Now both are different, that means both surds are not same, so we cannot add further. So this is our answer. So let us see multiplication and division. Multiplication rule and division, they are almost same, but they follow some different rules. So like if we have under root a b, so we can write under root a into under root b. If we have under root a into under root b, so we can multiply ab. If their exponent, this is the exponent, if the exponent of the surd is same, so we can multiply two different surds or two different irrational quantity. Like example, root 2 into root 3. Now exponents are same, so we can add 2 into 3, that is root 6. That is root 6. So this is all about multiplication. That is, if we have root a and its exponent is n, and another quantity root b, its exponent is n, so we can multiply ab with n. Here if we have na plus nb, then we cannot add, here we can multiply. So let's see how we can multiply with the example. Here 6 into, this is not an exponent, this is a coefficient, because this is written in the with the side of root 5, not its exponent. So 6 into root 5 into 2 root 5, how we can multiply? Multiply by this one to this one. So we will multiply real to real number, whatever the coefficient of both the quantities. 6 into 2, because 6 is a real number and this 2 is also a real number, so we will multiply these two, and this irrational number we will multiply together. Actually this 6 is a rational and this 2 is also rational. We will multiply rational to rational and irrational to irrational. So 6 into 2, and we will multiply this 5 as a irrational and this 5 as a irrational. So 6 into 2, that is 12, and we know that 5 into 5, so we can write 5 into 5, that is under 5 square, and this will balance, so we have only 5. So 12 into 5, that is 60 is our answer. Now let's divide. For divide 8 into under root 15 divided by 2 root 3. So for the division, let's see the rule. If we have n upon ab, so we can write under root n under root a upon b, we can write, while when the exponent are same. So let us see, we have under root 15 and 8 into 15 under root 15 and divided by 2 under root 3. So we can write this is 8 into root 3, because 15 we can write 15 as a root 3 into 5. If we will multiply 3 into 5 with the same exponent, so we will get the 15. So while multiplying, we have 8 into root 3 into root 5, and this is 2 into root 3. Why we have writing in this way? Because we can cancel. This is 4 times root 3, from root 3 we will cancel, and 2 4 is 8. Now this is our answer. So however possible, try to make in the simplest form all rational and irrational quantity. So this is all about operation on real numbers, especially with the surds or irrational numbers.